Yo guys, here's LingoJet and today I'm gonna talk about the ordinal numbers. In the previous videos, I've taught you the cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this video, we will learn something like first, second, third, fourth, and etc. First of all, I will go over to the cardinal numbers in order to just review them, and then we will talk about the ordinal numbers. Hit that subscribe button and tell me if you haven't done it. Let's go. So as I mentioned before, first of all, let's just go over cardinal numbers, then we'll talk about the ordinal forms. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and 20. Okay. About your ordinal forms, I mean first till 20th. First in French is premier or première. So premier or première. Premier is masculine and première is feminine. Right? So premier masculine, première féminin. Great, premier for masculine, première féminin. Second has two different forms. Douzième was deux, two. Douzième is second. About another form. Second means second, but for masculine, and seconde is also second, but for feminine. So, douzième, that is general, for both genders, and second, masculine, seconde, feminine. That's it, great. Next one. What's three in French? Trois. Okay, trois. Troisième means third. Trois, three. Troisième means third. Four was quatre, and fourth is quatrième. Ième. That's the whole point. Ième. Quatre, quatrième. What was five? Cinq. So what is fifth? Cinquième. Cinquième. So, what was six in French? Six. And what is sixth in French? What? Yes, sixième. M. That's the whole point. M. What was seven in French? Sept. So what is seventh? Septième. Eight. Huit. Eighth. Huitième. Nine. Neuf. And neuvième. Neuvième, not novi. Neuvième. 10, 10, 10th, dixième. 11, 11, 11th, onzième. 12, 12, 12th, douzième, 13, 13, 13th, treizième, 14, 14, 14th, quatorzième. That's it. 15, 15, 15th, quinzième. 16, 16, 16th, seizième. 17, 17, 17th, dix-septième. 18, 18, 18th, dix-huitième. 19, 19, 19th, dix-neuvième. 20, 20, 20, 20th, vingtième. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribe, and having a post notification turned on. See you.